Yeah, all what we are urging is that let the government look for ways and means of subsidizing the cost of fuel, or by reducing the taxes on fuel, because that's what normally makes it more higher. And the parcel we have been always asking, and every Kenyan is asking, and even those in the current government were asking the last government, because it also raised the prices of fuel last time, and we all remember they asked that we cannot see prices cheaper in Uganda and more expensive in Kenya, while Kenya is closer to the sea and transporting the same fuel from the coast to the destination of our cities is. So we are asking them, why don't you learn from our neighbors, and why are they able to make the prices of these commodities more affordable to their population, that which we cannot do ourselves?